I have a 2007 Toyota Sequoia. It's the SR5 edition. And the front blower motor is intermittent. Doesn't work all the time. Luckily, right now it's not working. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to check to see if it's the blower motor or something else. So you can see the connector right here. So we're going to pop that loose. There's a little push pin right here that you got to push in. And I'm probably going to have to set the camera down for this. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not. I'm just going to use the Phillips tip of this drill. Push the little button in. Now you got the connector off. Now I've got a test light. And we're just going to, this is just a T-pin, but anything that you can stick in here will be fine. Just going to kind of back probe that. We're going to stick the other end in right here. Okay, so I've just got both ends, one going to the ground, one going to the positive. Okay, key is on. Can you see how faint and dim that light is? That's on low. I'm going to gradually go to the next one. Got a little brighter. Next one. A little brighter. Next. Brighter. That's full brightness. So that's full bright. Next one down. Next one down. Next one down. Next one down. So it is definitely getting power and ground, and it's controllable. So you've got power and ground to the connector, which generally means you've either got a loose connection possibly or a bad blower motor. More than likely it's the blower motor, so that's what we're going to replace here. It's got a little cover here, so we're going to zip that off. Looks like a couple Phillips. I'm going to get the back one first. That way the front will stay up here, won't be getting in my way. And of course we already got the connector off, but looks like 8mm, but it also takes Phillips. So since we already have the Phillips all hooked up here, let's see if we can get on them. I'm going to try to get on this back one. It's not going to be able to get straight on it. No, I'm going to have to get the socket up for that. Right up in the center of this little vent. I think that's what that is. Okay. Actually, those are Torx. No wonder I wasn't able to get on it. So let me get an 8mm set up. I'm just going to use a nut driver. Hold this up here. And there it is. It's that easy. You always want to, before you drop it down, take a look at the new one, make sure it matches up, because if it doesn't, there's no reason to go any further. So there's the new one, there's the original. Always good to look up inside, make sure there's nothing that's going to cause any problems. Once you get the first one snugged up, it'll hold it up there. Don't over tighten them. And I'm not going to edit this video, so this shows you just how fast you can get this to happen. Now, if yours has got this cover, I don't know if all of them do, make sure you put it on before you hook the connector up. Tighten that back one up. Tighten up. And it's blowing. And that's it. Job's done. So you can see how quick and easy that is. No reason to take it to a shop. If you don't have a test light, if you got a voltmeter, you can use a voltmeter. Test light's just quicker and easier for me. Usually whenever the blower motor quits blowing, most of the time it is the blower motor. You can buy these online for about $30, so it's not that expensive of a fix if it is the blower motor. But it can be the blower controller. Used to be called the blower resistor, but another little bit more complicated than the old resistor type. But more than likely it'll be your blower motor. Anyway, again, 2007 Toyota Sequoia. You guys take care.